Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Yesterday the markets rallied, are all positive, but I don't think it really changes anything. You have to be careful out there. I had a lot of buy signals and I cover those today. Lots of buy signals, but be careful. We have the inflation numbers on Friday and Bitcoin is very, very antsy. My wife just told me that in China they've clamped down on Bitcoin. Anyway, I got a lot to cover, and I'll do it quite quickly. Looking at FinViz, we seen yesterday that the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 all rallied yesterday significantly. Lots of green. Financials were green. Big boys were green. Amazon was not, and Telsa was not. That's interesting. Energy was the top leader. Financials did well. In the news, people will watch Powell's testimony. That's coming up today. Further job gains. I'd like to see that, but I'm not sure I believe it. Inflation has increased. We all know that. Stocks consolidate ahead of Powell's appearance, so see that. We'll look at it in a minute. I still think crude will get to $80 a barrel. Energy and financials, I think will do good. Looking at TradingView, there's really no movement on the Nasdaq. The rut is down. The Dow is slightly down. Really no movement. You can't really read into this. And the 500 is down a little bit this morning. Can't read anything into that. Yesterday, a large green candle though, but large red candle, large green candle puts us back to where it was. That's just, it's volatile, but it's volatile noise. By the way, this is TradingView. It's free. You can have up to 3 indicators. Although I have 4 here, I have a paid version. Very cheap. I'm using the zigzag, zero lag, stochastic RSI, and the RSI. I have a Discord chat. It's free. I put my buy and sell signals out that I get from my system. These are the buys for the RSI, and this is for the stochastics. I clipped off the top here, so this is not good today, but these are the ones I'm going to cover today. And the other ones I'm not interested in. This is the RSI. You had an RSI buy. The stochastic looks like it's coming around across this 20. That's a buy signal, and it looks like we're going to have a crossover here in the MACD. The zigzag doesn't know what it's doing here. That's when we like to take action. That means there might be a reverse. See, these are prints. It knew what it's doing up to there. Now it doesn't know what it's doing. And that's when we like to take action, when it doesn't know. Now, today, it could be a red candle, and this zigzag could continue. That's why the zigzag is perfect. It always waits and uses forward data to make this perfect. We don't have that ability to make it perfect. We can't look into the future. Zigzag does. To make these lines, a zigzag looks in the future. We can't do that, but it's a great visual indicator. Anyway, this looks like an RSI buy to me. EFA on the daily chart. This is all on the daily. Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. Might be a reversal. MACD is still going down, but the RSI is pointing up. And so the stochastic is about ready to come around too. Is this a reversal? Is this the time? It's happened back here. That would have been a nice play there. So it's happened here on the downward side. And here's your MACD. Do you believe your indicators? Could be a reversal. This looks like technically this looks like a valid buy. You know, indicators do not predict the future. Zigzag did not predict the future. Nobody can predict the future. You just got to use your indicators, trust them, and make a decision on the future. That's all you can do. Basically, it's a guess. This is a Germany ETF. The one before that was a European. And you got the same situation. The RSI is signaling a buy. Stochastic is almost a buy. And the MACD is still open yet. Zigzag does not know what it's doing. Is this a reversal? It's good to me. Consumer goods ETF. Got the same conditions again. RSI looking like a buy. Stochastic's looking soon. MACD is below the zero. Looking like it might close up soon. And the zigzag does not know what it's doing. That might be a reversal. What do you think? Consumer goods. Consumer goods. This time you have the MACD signaling a buy. Stochastics looking like it's crossed over and looking like it's coming up. And the MACD is pointing up. This is signaling a buy. Nike. Consumer goods. This is Walmart. Wonder what business they're in. Stochastic RSI signaling buys. MACD is a little bit open, but the zigzag does not know what it's doing. Is this a buy. Looks good to me. And you have the same situation here with XLI. It's industrial. Zigzag does not know what it's doing. Long green bar, be careful. MACD looks like it's about ready to cross. Stochastics looks like it's coming around the bend. And the RSI is pointing up. This looks good to me. Procter & Gamble, stochastic RSI. The MAC is below the 0 line. That's good. Looks like it's going to have a green dot soon. And the RSI is pointing up. Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. That's when we like to work. Up to this point, it was a downward trend and it was sure. But this green bar made it question itself. Had it been another red bar, Zigzag would have continued down. Is this a reversal? Procter & Gamble looks good to me. Timken Company looks good. We got the MACD. Everything's pointing up. Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. Will it continue? 50%? Could it go to 86? 50% retracement? Who knows? Looks good to me though for a buy. Technically looks good for me for a buy. It's a little early here, but these all look like they're ready to swing. Zigzag does know what it's doing yet, so just wait here, but this looks like this is ready to turn around. This is AEM mining. Be careful with this if we have some inflation numbers on Friday. A couple of days ago, I recommended banking stocks at about this level here, and I thought it was going to flip its switch and go up. At that time, the RSI, stochastic RSI was below, and so was this. I was early. I was anticipating a move up. I was seeing something that wasn't on the chart, but I was happy and optimistic that it was going to go up, but it went down. Now, these things are looking about the same. Are they ready to switch again? Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. Is JPM and other banking stocks ready for a flip? Again, I'm seeing something that may be here this time. JP Morgan, AIG, Metropolitan, MET with stock symbol, all are symbols that you could look at. Morgan Stanley too, seeing the same thing. Is it ready to go? I'm optimistic on financials. Could be wrong. And I'm going to end this with a cheapie. $5 stock. Will it be going up soon? Oversold RSI, oversold stochastic RSI. MACD, will it flip soon? I'm seeing something that's not there yet. Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. Still red candle here. Is Nokia ready to flip? Anyway, including this one, by the way, ASHR. We covered all these stocks. They look like they're ready to go. This RSI buys. And this is the stochastic RSIs. Some of the same ones are over here. And they all look good. And I had a couple additional ones. This is my Discord chat. It's free. Check it out. Under Stock Planner. This is TradingView. It's free. You can have a watch list. And it has a very good screener. Where you can screen your watch list by setting this flag. And you do slices just like I did. Stochastic RSI right there. And you can find out which stocks on your watch list are giving you a high rating or a low one. You can slice it again. Kinross Gold, look at that. Stochastics, RSI, all low. The Zigzag does know what it's doing though, so you wouldn't take that. I mean, you're waiting for it when to do a switch. You're waiting for it when Zigzag does not know what it's doing, and that means maybe it'll switch and turn around and go the other way. A very good tool, free. Anyway, that's my plan. I have a watch list of stocks to trade today. I'll keep an eye out. If the market goes down, I might wait to enter in those buys or just cancel out. And if it goes up, I might go in. If it looks like it's going to be 2 or 3 up days, I might go in for short-term swing trade. There's a lot of information out there and many, many different videos, and you can learn a lot from those videos. But never take advice from this person, some strange person on the internet trying to give you some advice. Don't take advice from this person. I'm not sure they know what they're doing. And certainly do not take advice from this person. Do your own due diligence. But you could like and subscribe to this video and help me out on my channel. Anyway, happy trading. Good luck today.